Wagwan, my name is Jeremy and welcome to Picatude. And in this video I'm going to teach you how to do a personalized reversible sequin pillow. Please consider to subscribe, leave us a comment, share this video with a friend who you know might be interested in doing personalized items. Alright, so here you see me with a light blue reversible sequin pillow. What I'm doing here is basically flipping over the blue side of the sequin to expose the printable side, which is the white side. So in a minute, you'll see me take the pillow over to the heat press. So I just make sure, so here you see me making sure that all of the blue sections are completely flipped. Alright, so here you see me with the heat press, and I'm laying down a sheet of butcher paper or cover sheet, and you see me putting the sequin pillow on there. Now this is the back of the pillow, the non-sequin side. Alright, so here you see me adjusting the pressure. You just want to make sure there's medium to light pressure. And also I'm doing a quick pre-press. Pre-press gets rid of moistures and wrinkles. Alright, so here you see me putting the printed image on top, which was printed in reverse, and then I'm going to put a Teflon sheet on top to prevent the platen from ink getting transferred onto the heat platen. Alright, so you want to press this for 400 degrees for 50 to 60 seconds. If you look at my time, you see that it starts way above the recommended time that I told it. The reason for this was because I had other stuff pressing and I didn't bother to change the time. So what I'm doing is basically watching it until it reached the recommended time, which is in my case 50 seconds. You want to experiment with your equipment and see what works for you. So you might find that 50 seconds work, 40 seconds work, 60 seconds work. So just experiment with your equipment because it will vary from time to time, or from equipment to equipment rather. So as the timer counts down, I'm going to open the press, take the Teflon sheet away carefully, and also the printed image. So that's the back side of the pillow completed. I'm going to hold it up to the camera so you can see what it looks like, and that is looking lovely. So the next thing, you want to flip the pillow over to do the sequin side. So that's what I'm doing here. Then you're going to repeat the step, get the image that was printed in reverse, place it on top of the sequins, get your Teflon sheet. So you can use Teflon sheet or the butcher paper or any protective paper to protect your heat platen from ink transferring onto there, because if it does, it's really not coming off. So this is now counting down for the requisite time. Alright, so I'm about to reach the requisite time. So here you see me opening the press. So you want to again gently remove the paper, make sure it doesn't lift and fall, because then that will cause ghosting. So you're going to hold the pillow up again. I'm going to hold the pillow up and show it to the camera so you can see what it looks like. And that's looking beautiful. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Please consider to subscribe, share this video with a friend if you found it useful, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.